You use Google every day. You search for answers, you search for solutions, and you search for answers to prove your friend wrong. But did you know that you can use it to make big money online? Now, the main website that we will be using combined with Google to make money online is going to be mindsumo.com. As you can see, mindsumo.com has been working with some of the biggest companies in the world. So you know it's worth it. They've been working with Pepsi, Johnson& Johnson, Amazon, Starbucks, Disney, Adidas, Facebook, Coca-Cola, Spotify, Microsoft, American Express, Yahoo, IBM, and much, much more. These are some of the biggest companies in the entire world. And take a look at how much is there to be made. Like one simple search can be this big. There's a lot of money to be made here. You just need to sign up to mindsumo.com, and you might be asking, how do you do that? Well, you click here where it says login/sign up. Since you don't have any account yet, just click on this one right here so you can sign up for absolutely free. Just enter your first name, your last name, your country, your email address, and then you'll create a new password. And then you will select your birthday. Next is to select your gender, and then you'll need to rate yourself in the following skill areas. And so you will need to select from creativity skills, marketing skills, technical skills. Now, this is really optional, but I recommend you select something like average proficiency or above average proficiency, regardless of what your skills actually are. But this is going to give you higher chances of making more money, so I would select average proficiency. You don't have to tick these three boxes because that's going to sign you up to their email list. And that's obviously not what you want. You don't want any spam emails or whatsoever. So you will just need to click these two boxes to accept their terms and conditions along with their privacy policy, which you can read by clicking on these two links. After that, just click on I'm not a robot and just click sign up, and now you have an account in mindsumo.com. Once you log into your account, you can scroll down a little bit. You're going to be able to see all these different challenges, questions, and projects which we can answer and get paid for doing that. So you can see they're paying all the way from a couple hundreds of dollars all the way up to thousands of dollars. And here on the left hand side, you're going to be able to see different categories which you can select. So there is definitely going to be no shortage of money to be made on this website, since there are new questions, new projects, and new challenges coming in every single day. Now let me just show you some projects. If I open up, for example, this one over here, you're going to be able to see how much money people have been making with this challenge alone. You can see that this is their total budget, and here are the results of this project. Sometimes it's going to be a lot more than that, so stick with me so I can show you that simple Google trick and how exactly you will be paid to search on Google. Anyways, I wanted to come back here and select some of these categories. For example, let's go with computer science. Then to select any of these projects you like, and you will enter that project. As you can see, they're going to ask you a question right here. This is the main question that we need to answer, and we have a chance to win this amount of money. So what's that Google trick? You'll need to copy this question right here and then go over to Google and paste the question right here so we can find an answer here on Google. So you can go through all of these articles and, for example, open up this one and try to find if there is an answer to our questions. And you can see that this is exactly what we're looking for. They're giving us examples on this one, and this is a really professional answer. They will most likely win one of the top shares on here. And you saw how easy that was. All I did was copy the question and then I just went over to Google. I searched for that question and now I have an answer over here. The next thing I need to do is to edit the answer a little bit. So to do that, I go back to Google and I search for Google Docs and I will click on blank right here. Then go back to the article. Then you can copy and paste some of the answers. Paste them right here and go back to copy another one. So the longer the answer, the better for you. And the higher the chances of you making money if your answer is more profound or if your answer is longer. And now you can of course edit this. You can change the font. You can change the colors. You can maybe change the words. For example, instead of this, I can just select it and I can change it to blue. And I can maybe change that part to bold or something like that. As you can see, it's fully customizable and it's really easy. So just search for the answer in Google, edit it in Google Docs, and once you're done, just click File, go to Download, and download a PDF document. As you open up that document, it's gonna look something like this, and as you can see, this is really professional. Once you have it on your computer, you will just have to come back here and you will submit the answer, and you will most likely be in a share on the money from this question. Now bear in mind, you will not win the full money. You will need to share that with other participants. But as you saw, it was really easy and it took me less than 5 minutes to find the answer on Google. Now, I have a chance to win hundreds of dollars for absolutely free. So all you need to do is just search on Google for the answer, find the answer, and once you found that, I just need to click on this and submit the answer. So that's how easy it is. Just by searching on Google, there's a huge chance of making a lot of money online. Of course, it's not guaranteed that you will always win the challenge and get the share of the prize, but it takes you just a couple of minutes to search in Google. It's really easy, and as I said, you can do it from anywhere you like. So why not do it in your spare time and make some extra income? Now with that said, this is it for today's video guys. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you'll not miss out any of the new future contents. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you in the next videos.